Hello everyone. What I'd like to show you in this video here is a common fact about triangles that many of us, I guess, know is true, but maybe don't know why it's true. That the sum of the three angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, or in terms of actually our new angle units, this would be pi radians. So I'd like to show you this, and it really just comes down to a picture. So let's go ahead and draw a triangle. And let's go ahead and label these three angles. Let's call this angle here theta 1. Let's call this angle here theta 2. And let's call this angle here theta 3. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to cut this triangle into two right triangles. So I'm going to go ahead and make a cut right here. And think about this red right triangle. And this blue right triangle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about this red right triangle. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. I'm going to rotate it and set it right here. So if I go ahead and do this, what I've done is I've taken this theta 1 here and I've rotated it to be right here. And similarly, I'm going to take this blue triangle right here. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to rotate it and I'm going to set it right here. So that means this angle theta 2 here would have rotated to be right here. So if I go ahead and erase kind of this little piece right here, remember, this is what we labeled as theta 3. And hopefully we can see right here what must be true is that theta 1 plus theta 3 plus theta 2 must be equal to 180 degrees. Super cool. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.